I'm Vernon Dickson. I work for Range Resources. I'm the senior program manager at Range. I lead the automation team and basically manage projects for the accounting department. I was kind of tasked with setting the program up and getting everything running. So, we are a pure citizen development organization, and so we actually had to train the accountants to do automations and really setting the program up and getting our first bots into production. We've got, I think, 53 in production right now, and I would say that getting it all set up within the accounting department is probably the biggest achievement. I would like to develop some of the artificial intelligence automation skills over the next year and see if there's a way that we can incorporate it into our back office accounting. To be an MVP means that you're kind of an expert in the field of automation, and you can really help people that are maybe just starting their journey, or it's a way to actually learn a lot about the program that there's some areas that you may not have used that it would actually shine some light on it for you. Usually what I tell people that if you're new to automation, a couple of things. One, when you're doing automations, there's more than one way to get things done, and you'll get the same answer. One may be faster than the other. There's not one right way, is what I would tell people. The other thing is, for companies that are just starting their journey, they really do need a champion in the C-level to help them navigate the company and promote the automation program throughout the enterprise. So when we started our journey, we brought in 3 different vendors, and we did a proof of concept with each of the vendors. And what really drove our decision to use Automation Anywhere was the user-friendly platform. We actually had a young accountant that, after sitting through the POC with Automation Anywhere, went back to her desk without any experience and was able to create a very simple automation. With the other 2 tools that we looked at, they were just too complex for the system developers. So really, there's a lot of opportunity in our industry, because really in oil and gas we aren't a first adopter. So there are probably a lot of processes out there that can be automated, and I also see intelligent automation as something in the future that can help us reduce cost and actually be more accurate in our processing. So, I have a lot of large animals. I've got 5 horses and 5 cows. If I could automate anything, it would be something to get up and go feed the horses and cows every day.